Hello, thank you for clicking to this DivePort tutorial. We already covered topics on how to add a measure portlet and adding graphs to your DivePort page. Today we'll take it a step further by explaining how to add click actions to those and other portlets. Click actions allow users to engage with the data directly displayed in graphs, tables and indicators. By using a click action with a pop-up, for instance, you can improve user experience by showing details without having to navigate away from current dashboard. So here's a list of hints to make sure it all clicks into place.
In this demonstration, you'll learn how to add a click action to a portlet on your DivePort site. Click actions provide users with the ability to interact with DivePort data. For example, you can define a click action that causes hidden data to appear when a user clicks on a graph. Let's say you're a beverage distributor and you have a DivePort page that displays information about your customers. The page includes a Measures Portlet that uses a marker file to show the top 11 customer chains by total customers, with a single entry, Others, for the total number of customers in the remaining customer chains. On this DivePort site, there is another page called All Chains. The All Chains page lists all customer chains, not just the top 11. Now let's say you want to give viewers of the Measures Portlet on the Customer Dashboard page access to the information on the All Chains page without requiring them to leave the Customer Dashboard. You can do this by adding a click action to the Measures Portlet. We'll start adding our click action to the Measures Portlet by clicking Edit. Next, we'll right-click the Measures Portlet and select Edit from the context menu. The Edit Measures Portlet wizard opens. Next, we'll click Click Actions. A new wizard page opens. We'll click Add at the bottom of this page. On the new wizard page now on the screen, we'll specify the click action type, Portal Page. The Scope box allows you to specify the portlet elements that the user can click to perform the click action. In this case, we want the All Chains page to display when a user clicks any row of data on the portlet, so we'll leave Scope set to Row. In the Label box, we'll enter a title for the frame of the pop-up window in which the All Chains information will appear. In the Page ID box, we'll enter the page ID of the All Chains page. You find the ID of a page by navigating to the page, entering Edit mode, clicking the chevron and selecting Settings, and making a note of the information in the Page ID box. We want the information in the All Chains page to appear on the customer page in a pop-up window. So next we'll select Show as a pop-up. Finally, let's change the size of the pop-up window to 600 pixels by 400 pixels. In the wizard page now on the screen, we can review some of the choices we made for our click action and use the Edit button to update them if necessary. But everything here looks good, so we'll click OK. Let's click OK again to apply our changes and close the Edit Measures Portlet wizard. We're now ready to save our changes. Let's test our click action by clicking a row in the Measures Portlet. Notice how the pointer changes to a pointing hand to indicate that one or more click actions are available. The All Chains page appears as a pop-up window on the screen. Note that you can associate multiple click actions with a portlet element. In this case, when a user clicks that portlet element, a menu of available click actions appears. The menu items display the labels you specified when you defined the click actions. Note also that you can create a click action menu that includes only one click action. So that's how you add a click action to a portlet on your DivePort site. You navigate to the page that contains the portlet, enter Edit Mode, right-click the portlet and select Edit, select Click Actions, click Add and specify the type and scope of the click action and enter a label for it, and save your changes.
And that's it. Now you know how to add a click action to your portlet, enabling a more interactive and user-friendly DivePort page. If you have any questions about how to set up a click action or other interactive elements to your DivePort page, leave a comment below. Have a good one and dive safe.